If you are limited with time, maybe this hike would not be a must do. So we did the hike by ourselves. We did not got robbed, assaulted, offended, molested, harassed whatsoever. We met some nice people on the way, and I think we have enjoyed parts of the trek, although I haven't been astounded by it. This is the volcano Santa Maria that we've just climbed, and that's our bus that is coming. So it took us 3 hours to go up, 2 hours to just snack and take pictures and rest, and it took us 2 hours 15 minutes to go down. Going down it's much easier. It's not like going down the Mayan ruins. I thought it would be more difficult, but it isn't. Just that, well, of course your feet hurt because they are pushed to the front, and there's loads of dust. If you are walking in a group, that rises up, and then you breathe that in, and you have that in your eyes. I'm not going to mention the shoes and the socks and the trousers. Yeah, but this is hiking life, and that's why we do hiking, to get dirty and happy. We are blending in very well on the way to Shela. And now with my favorite media of transport in Guatemala. That's actually the newest one, the newest style. Now the Calvario church is much more lively than at 6 a.m. We got here 20 minutes drive only, and now we are back home to clean those dirty things. Alright, that will be the truth about the hiking in Santa Maria. Yes, that's the truth. Just arriving at the Parque Central, which is the Central Park, the main zone of Zona 1, which is the first zone. That's the most central you can get. I can't feel my left foot, and Lisa, I think, cannot feel both of her feet. I think we cannot take two roads at the same time. The traffic here is not the very most pedestrian friendly, so you kind of are striving for survival every time you cross the street. There's the Catholic church, and next to it there's another church which is probably evangelical. I don't know.